Hello there. Welcome to the Data Sense Academy. Here we will help you begin your journey in the intriguing world of data and data management. In the past decade or so, we have seen an explosion of data and information all around us. Today, data and related application touches our life in almost every sphere. From banking to online shopping, social media to health monitoring, data and digital applications have touch points everywhere. We generate and use terabytes of data on a regular basis. As a business or IT professional, it's imperative to understand how data works so that we can leverage this tremendous power for our and the greater good. While tools and technologies will continue to evolve, the basic fundamentals and principles of data and data management shall hold true. And if you found this content useful, please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, let's get started.
In this session, we will try to get a basic understanding of data and its types. As an aspiring young data professional, it's key to understand these basic concepts before dwelling deeper into the world of data management. Broadly speaking, data can be defined as raw, unprocessed facts or figures that can be collected, stored, and analyzed. It represents observations, measurements, or information recorded about objects, events, or phenomena. Data itself often lacks context and analyzed. Data can come in various shapes and forms, including numbers, that is, quantitative data like sales figures, temperatures, or population counts. Text, such as qualitative data including written descriptions, names, or responses in a survey. Images like photos, diagrams, or video frames. Sound including audio recordings, voice messages, or music files, and sensor data, which might consist of readings from physical devices like temperature sensors, GPS coordinates, etc. Data forms the foundation in many fields, such as science, business, and technology. When data is structured and analyzed, it becomes information, which can be used to make decisions, drive insights, or understand patterns. There can be a variety of ways data can be classified and categorized. The table below provides an overall matrix about how the data can be classified based on various criteria. Each of these classifications are used in different ways across the business and data landscape. Structured data is organized and easily searchable because it is in a fixed format or schema. Examples may include spreadsheets, customer records, and product catalogs. They are often used in relational databases where information is stored in rows and columns, making it easy to query and analyze. On the other hand, unstructured data lacks a predefined format or organization, making it harder to store and analyze. Examples include emails, social media posts, videos, images, PDF files, audio files. Such data is often used in areas such as text mining, sentiment analysis, and media storage. Lastly, semi-structured data doesn't have a formal structure like in relational databases, but contains some organizational properties, for example tags or markers, to make it more manageable. Examples include JSON files, XML documents, NoSQL databases, and log files. These are useful in applications where flexibility in terms of data storage is required. The next way to classify data is by how it's measured. Quantitative data can be measured or counted, and is often expressed in numerical form. They can be either discrete or continuous. Examples include sales figures, exam scores, and temperature readings. On the other hand, qualitative data is descriptive in nature, is non-numeric, and often based on characteristics or qualities. Examples include survey responses, product reviews, and customer feedback. It's important to understand that both these types of data are often used in conjunction to create a holistic view of the desired information. For example, one may say, "Today it's uncomfortable outside because the temperature and humidity figures are in a certain range." Another way to classify data is by its purpose or application. Master data is the core data essential for the operations of a business or organization. They find exhaustive use in an organization's core business applications like ERP and CRM. Such data is generally not dynamic in nature and is closely controlled and monitored. Examples include customer profile data, product data, material data, supplier data, and location data. Metadata, on the other hand, provides information regarding other data elements. They play a key role in maintaining the data lineage and help in profiling and cataloging key data elements. Examples include file locations, date of creation, author details, and size of a file or record. Transactional data, as the name suggests, gets generated from various business and operational transactions of a business. These may include sales data, inventory data, and payments-related data. These play a crucial role in financial and operational reporting and analytics. In the past decade, there has been an exponential increase in the volume, variety, and complexity of the data being generated across the world. Such huge datasets can be managed using traditional data management platforms and systems. Such data is classified as big data, and it includes social media data, sensor data from IoT devices, transaction and system logs, etc. Time series data is typically data which gets captured at specific time or intervals. These may include health records, climate information, and website traffic-related data. Finally, data is also classified as personal and sensitive data. Personal data is data related to an individual which can be used to identify him or her. These often include information such as name, email address, phone number, and social security details. Such data is often regulated by various compliance and regulatory laws such as GDPR and CCPA. Data which is classified as sensitive requires additional security and protocols to safeguard against any breach. These may include financial records, passwords, intellectual properties, and bank account details. Let's summarize. In today's digital world, we have touchpoints with data and data-related applications in almost all spheres of our lives. We consume as well as generate huge quantities of data through these digital touchpoints. Data in itself lacks context. It needs to be organized and analyzed to derive useful insights. Organizations are increasingly leveraging data as an enterprise asset to drive their business and operational decisions. Data can be classified in a variety of ways depending on the context and how it's being used or applied. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us in the comment section.